A journey in the heart of Croatia, in association with the Croatian National Tourist Board.
Croatia has a lot of wonders to offer, and they are just waiting to be discovered.
This amphitheater is here on the same place for 2,000 years. That's amazing.
Nowhere in the world, even Greece and Italy, will find a complete Roman square still standing.
You will really find something how it was, how it once was.
We wanted to tell the story, to make it a journey in Croatian art.
It probably does not only affect my life, it creates my life.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening.
We can afford to have a symphony orchestra.
Unique place to live.
Every day, every morning, you can get an inspiration.
Really feels a little bit special.